The basics of foam rolling. This is going to introduce you to the basic principles you want to use when you're using foam rolling to help increase motility of your tissues. I'm just going to use a very inexpensive styrofoam foam roller. There are many types of foam rolling tools on the market. This is just one that is easy to use and portable and inexpensive. When you use a foam roller, you want to follow the following principles. We're going to use the quadriceps as an example. We're trying to use our body weight to create pressure on the surface of the roller. To do that with your quadriceps, you have to get in a position where the roller is pressing into the muscle belly. And then you're just going to slowly roll up and down the length of the muscle from origin to insertion. It doesn't matter where you start. The key is to go very slowly so that you're able to feel and receive the feedback from the roller. For most people, especially if you're sore, when you're rolling, you're going to feel uncomfortable. There's going to be places in your muscles that are very stiff. The key is not to react and pull away from that sensation, but actually to sink into it. If you can, start to slow your breath down so that you can sink deeper into the pressure. This extra depth of pressure will actually decrease the reaction. And over time, your nervous system will tell your muscles to let go of the tension. That's how it works. If you find a certain spot that's especially tense, these are where you employ some of your other techniques. So for example, if right here I felt a lot of tension, I could pause and just hold it there, letting the deepness of the pressure slowly increase. And then I could stay there a couple of minutes, just letting that happen over that specific area of tension. Another thing you can do is bend and straighten the knee if you're doing the quadriceps, because this will pin and stretch that area over that sensitive space. You could also do what we call friction, cross friction. Bending the knee and going side to side will create a little cross friction across the belly of that muscle right into that area of tension. Just a couple examples of some of the things you can do to help decrease the holding and tension in that certain muscle group. As you explore, you'll start to feel it be more relaxed, and your reaction to it will be less and less, and it won't be as uncomfortable. The more often our nervous system receives this input, the more it accommodates and adapts to it and creates less tension in the muscles. Give it a shot. See how it works for you.